Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Like if you brush your teeth today. Alright guys, so I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I can't really do anything, like, for the most part, because we were stuck in quarantine because of, you know, Corona, and like, it sucks. I can't go out and record like I would want to. I had a lot of videos planned, but that had to be postponed. So I've just been working and making TikToks. Wow. But as you can also see, something different. I decided to get a perm. Hopefully, well, it looks pretty bad right now because I just woke up. But I actually wanted to get like curly hair since like my sophomore year. So I don't know how long ago though, like 3-4 years ago. And yeah, so I'll probably wet my hair in a bit just to make it look less terrible, because it looks, woo. Just 1 second. So I just put some water through it for now, because I'm gonna take a shower later. But as you can tell, like, it's right now. But this is what I usually put, Cantu, in my hair. I have a spray too, but I usually put that like at night. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one for now. If you have curly hair, or if you got a perm, let me know what products you use, cause I need to know. Maybe there's a better one than this one. I don't know. I'm new to all this. So see, like, you can kind of tell it's a little bit. You can see that the curl is a little bit more defined. I personally don't like it, like when it's like that. I prefer like when it's dry, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, so now this is the perm kit that I used. And this is the rod size that I actually don't know what size this is, but yeah, I don't know what size it was, but I know I didn't go with the red ones, because the red ones are like, it would leave the curls like super small. And for the hair length that I had, I had 3 inches of hair like length, so that's why like I didn't want to go super small. So the way you put the shit on, well, my mom ended up doing my perm, so I didn't freaking do it myself. So you take this thing off, right, and then you use end papers for like the tip of your hair, and then you roll it up, and then once you have it all the way down, I usually go like, you go under it like that. I see that this is the best results, I guess, because if you just do this is what my mom did. Okay, this is what my mom did. It's just that, and it's pretty loose, as you can tell, really loose. But overall, I mean, what y'all think? Y'all think it look good? Yeah. I personally like it, but I be getting a lot of people laughing at me and shit, but honestly, it don't really matter. So we're gonna say hi to, oh shit, this person. I don't know why she look like, I don't know why she look like that, but hey, you're in my YouTube video, kid. Hell no. But yeah, we're gonna go through some old pics of how I used to look, old videos and old pics of how I used to look, and then we'll just see the results, I guess. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna arrange this video up, but like, okay, So this is how I looked. That song goes hard, bro. Unreleased, by the way. As you can tell, my hair was getting really long. So it was like 3 inches all around. Like for the most part, I think this one was like almost 4. The front was like super long, as you can tell. The front was very long. How fucking atrocious. Who let me be like that? But I'm gonna have to mute this because there's copyrighted music in there. But this is when my mom was like, she had like 2/3 of the way done. And then this is when, I want to say this is when she was done. This is how it looked when all around. Of course, there's gonna be some hair sticking out because she doesn't know much about this stuff. She doesn't know anything about this stuff. And then, yeah. For the most part, that's how I looked. This is how I looked. With my hair just being grown out. And look at that.
Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a
TikToks, by the way.
magic trick with this water bottle.
You can see my hair is like super whack. Oh, and this right here is when I tried to do Bantu knots. This was like the first time I did it, when like I started growing out my hair. This was April. We're in June. I got my perm in June. So it's almost 2 months. I've let it grow out since then. I think that was like my first haircut, and then that's like I did my own haircut April 6th, and then this is what I did Bantu knots. This is what I look like. I kept doing them, and I don't know why, but they look freaking terrible. Like, so this.
Not that this is obviously I know the time I have a watch.
That's what my hair looked like before.
You know what time it is. Not that thing is obviously I know the time I have.
I think it was look better with this hair, or do I look better with my old hair? What do y'all think, bruh? Low-key, I think that I look better with this, but I don't know. I'm gonna leave a poll. Like, I think it's here or like right here. You should. Fuck. Wait, where you going? Shit. Fuck. My stick arms. Right there. It's either right here or right here. Y'all should tell me if I look better before or do I look better now. What y'all think? Alright, that's how it look. Oh shit, fuck me. I know I'm not the best looking guy. I really don't know how to freaking do this, guys. I'm a newbie. Look. Ooh, babe. That's one side. I'm gonna go to the other one. Oh shit, fucking. Trying to work this camera. Can it focus? Maybe because it's too much light. Oh, there we go. So yeah, guys, that's a new update, I guess. Hopefully more videos soon, and see you later.